Hi everyone, it's Shana. You probably have heard about me before, but if you're new to my channel, this is the Jamaican Yardy girl. But I'm just gonna share my experience, my life experience, my weight loss journey, and everything thereof that I have to share. And today I'm gonna share my review, pretty much my review with just I bought up my boots at JustFab. This was the first time buying there, and I got it for $9.99, so it was US converted over. I think the shipping was I think it was $6.95, and I live in Calgary, Alberta, so I guess it's a bit more. Like, I think so, because that's what they charge me, and everything come up to probably like $24. So I got $24 for a pair of boots that I love. Right, just heads up, it really look nice and I love it. But anyway, getting towards the part that the necessary part. And also, I'm gonna see if I can start recording video at least once a week or twice a week, depending on my schedule. Right, so hopefully, let's see, one step at a time, one video at a time, and then move on up. Oh yeah, may have new background too, so yes, we kind of upgrade on a little things, a few more things. Yes, but anyway, back on to the boots. JustFab. Yes, so JustFab. This is the first time I ever bought from JustFab. Yeah, am I saying it right? Yeah, JustFab. This is the first time I ever bought from it, right? I always saw it. I saw it on TV and on the internet, and then a friend of mine said, you know what, I bought my boots there the other day, and we said, okay, alright, let's try it, and I tried it. But anyway, onto the boots. Onto the boots. This is all the box. Look, people, pink and white. Oh, it's not my name. I was just checking. But anyway, pink and white. Right. So just gonna take the cover off. Well, it didn't exactly come like this. It come better. What's the word am I looking for? Why am I rumbling? Why am I grumbling? Why am I missing words? I don't know. But anyway, it packed neatly, but I looked at it and I tried it on and I wore it for a little bit. So, it now will go back neatly packed. But anyway, this is the bits, and the thing that I really like about JustFab is, some people, when you just go to a regular store and you want to just like our Ardeen's for our Urban Planet, right? And you see nice boots and you say, yes, my size 9 or 8 or whichever you wear, and you try it on, it fit down here. It fit good down here, down on the foot part. But when it comes to the calf, it's too tight, right? It's too tight. So with JustFab, you have the option to choose wide calf, which is good. Probably other stores, like, because I like reasonable prices, not too expensive or whatever. But probably other stores give you the option of wide calf or whatever. But these ones that I visit so far, no, I didn't get that option. But so I love the option of that, and I tried it, and it's so comfortable. The only thing is it's just a little bit snug, but I think probably like wearing it over time, it probably get loose and probably get stretchy. But who knows, probably, maybe. But it's snug, but it doesn't hurt snug, right? But I don't think I will be feeling comfortable if I wear probably like two socks with it, right? I don't think I will feel comfortable. But one socks is good because it feels warm inside. And hold on, I think that's it. It roll up all the way up on my knee. I love these ones, and it go all the way from my knee. Not if it's 4, it's not real 4, but it's nice and it feel comfortable. It's not too much, but I like it, right? And them have different color, them have different option, right? I didn't wear it out. I just wear it around the house to kind of break it in, as very Jamaican normally say, right? So Good, and you have one zip on this side. Woo. This is the zip where you should not put up. So I saw this zip, so I thought I'd say, oh yeah, because I zip this down. But this one is just a fashion zip. You know? But it's all cool. I love it same way. Right? And down here so feel like high quality. So me like it. Because you know sometimes when you buy some things, it just cheap. It kind of look good, but like afterwards it just don't look good anymore because it's too cheap. But anyway, I get it good. But this is my short review on it. I love the shipment. It took like 1 week and something, but I didn't even remember about it for a bit because I have a lot on my plate. But it got here fairly fine. It wasn't that long. I think it's like 6 to 7 days shipping, or maybe a little bit longer, or 6 to 10, I think so. But yeah, I got it in time and I love it. And I'm wearing it for a occasion, like a special occasion. Alright, but yeah, well, that's all I have to say about JustFab for now. I'll be ordering other things from there because I see a lot more things there women like, especially some handbag, so I like those. So me check it out, and if anything, me also post one more review about other things that I buy from them, or other things that I buy from Amazon, because I'm always buying stuff from Amazon and reviewing them. So I need to put up some of those. Yeah, I really need to put up some of those. But anyway, yes, thank you for watching. I'm also going to be posting other videos. I also would be making another weight loss video for 2017. Yes, I know I haven't been making that much videos, but I'm just gonna get into the habit of making more videos, even if it's just once a week. And I want to say thank you for watching, and if you have not subscribed, please do, because you will see a lot more of me and a lot more of the Jamaican talking, a lot more of the Jamaican accent. And if I'll try my best to see if I could put some subtitles in, if some people out there want to watch me and don't really understand what I'm saying. A lot of people say I'm talking Jamaican talk too fast. Sometimes it's not really talking too fast, but I think we kind of do. We kind of do talk fast. But yeah, I'm gonna try to see if I can post subtitles, right? But yes, just watch out for any other videos I'm gonna upload. I'm gonna see if I can upload anything I have to review, weight loss or any weight loss videos, any workout videos, anything like that, anything talking about fitness or anything like that that I have. I'm gonna see if I could record and, you know, modify and post. And even if it's just a short video, I'm gonna record it and just post, even if I don't have to edit, because some people just edit their video and you don't really get to see all of the mistakes when they make, you know, them words and all of those things. And also I'm new to this, so please bear with me. Please, people, just bear with me, and one step at a time, and I'll get there one day, right? Okay, so I'm Shana, the Yardy Girl. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you, and please do subscribe. Thank you. Peace out.